Good morning, friends and students. So, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 7, that is for ninth class, and the book of moment. In this book, the title of the chapter is The Last Leaf, and this is for ninth class, English book of moment as per CBSE board. Okay, so the title of the story or the title of the chapter is The Last Leaf. Okay, so in this chapter we see there were two friends and they were young artists. Okay, they were young artists and their name is Sue and another is Chauncey. So in the month of November, and that was the month of cold, and in this time, John C. became very ill, and she was affected by pneumonia. Okay, she was affected by pneumonia. So somehow it was trying to cure her, but she was not getting well. Every day she was very worried about her, and she took him to the doctor, and every day she was giving medicine by the doctor to John C. But the medicine is not working properly. So there was question why the medicine is not working and why these things is happening. So she was questioning herself, but there was no answer of her. So one day she went to the doctor, and doctor was saying that she took her aside, and the doctor asked her that there is something that is worrying to John C. And due to that reason, the medicines are not working properly. So, do you know what she is thinking, and what is her mental condition, and what is her mental ability? When she heard about it, then finally what happens there, and she went to her home, and one day she was making her happy. She was saying so many things to John C. and making wonderful art, and drawing so many good sketches, and doing different things. She was trying to make her happy. Okay, she was trying to make her happy such a way. What happens there that day, and she took a bowl of soup, and tried to give her, but she didn't took it. Means Johnson didn't took it, and she refused to take it. So she was not understanding. She was not understanding why these things is happening here. And as she was going to near to him, so her, she said some fashionable things, and she said some, that designing things, but her mind, Johnson's mind was not there. She was looking, across the window. She was looking something, and through the window, and opposite side there is a creeper, ivory creeper, and that is creeping on the wall, and the leaves are day by day they are falling, and by looking them, and she was counting backward. So 12, 10, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, like this she was saying many things, but finally what happens here, Sue also has seen there what is happening here. So then John C. said there were hundreds of leaves in this creeper, but gradually it fallen, and now only 12s are there, and that is also falling, and now the sevens are there, and I am waiting to see the last leaf. There are three leaves, and after 1 or 2 days, all the leaf will fell down, and I will be dying, and I will be sleep forever. When she heard this one, and when she knew the mentality of her friend, then she remembered to the doctor what the doctor has been told to her, or what the doctor has been told to Shiv. Then finally she said, I am making a art, so until unless if I would not come here, so don't look to outside of the window. So she put covered the curtain, and after covering of the curtain, and she went somewhere. She went to downstairs, and there was a man whose name was Barman, and he was there, and he talked with her, and she told very clearly that what was the thinking, and what was the mind, and what was the thinking of John C. When the barman heard, and he also said, what is the foolish talk is that? So how she can now believe that if the last leaf, after falling of the last leaf, she will be dying? That was her thinking. What kind of thinking is this? So finally what happens there? So he said, okay, you may go, I will come with you, and I will see. So Shiv came, and went to that room, and she watched that Jhansi was watching opposite side of the window. Okay, so here at the same time, the barman also have come. The barman had a good dream that he wanted to make a masterpiece. He is the man of 60, above 60 years old, and he wanted to make a masterpiece, but there was no opportunity to make a masterpiece, and that was his dream, and there was no idea how he could fill his dream, and how he could complete his dream. That was his idea. So finally what happens there? So just he was thinking that he also has seen that Jhansi is thinking. Jhansi is thinking, she knew very clearly, he understood. Then after saying nothing, he went to his home. So what happened the next day? Okay, throughout the night there was too much rain. Okay, there was too much rain. Wind was blowing very, fastly, very fastly moving. And when there was morning time, Jhansi opened the window and opened the curtain, and had seen outside. Still the creeper is there, and still the leaf is also there. She couldn't understand, because last night there was too much rain, or last night there was too much wind, but how it could happen? The leaf is still there. So evening, the next day come, but nothing happened. Still the leaf is there. Somehow she said, I might have committed too much sin, and that is why the leaf is not falling and I am not dying. So that way Shiv said, you are not going to die. And afternoon the doctor came, and the doctor said, there is a hope, Jhansi will be okay. But there is a bad news. I hear the barman, okay, one who was staying downstairs, so he affected with the pneumonia, and his condition is very serious, and definitely he will be die. Next day, morning time, she went to uh, the bearman's house, and he has seen that the bearman's died. Bearman was not alive there; he has been died, and he has seen there is a ladder and yellow and green color paintings are there, and a brush is there, and his dress that was fully wet, his shoes that was also fully wet. And so all these things, when she has seen, she understood that what might be happened there. So that night there was heavy rain and a very strong blowing of wind. Even though that leaf didn't fall down, because the that particular night Bearman was there, and he was painting the leaf. He was painting the leaf. The leaf was looking exact as the original one. So that was his masterpiece. As he was alive, but during his lifetime, he didn't do that. He couldn't do that. But to save somebody, he has done something, and after doing that, he sacrificed his life. Okay, to save someone, he sacrificed his life, but his masterpiece remained forever. That is the main theme of the story. Remember, four main characters are there. Number one, Jhansi, one who has been sick. Number two, Shiv. She was the darling friend of Jhansi. And number three, a doctor, one who was treating to Jhansi. And number four, Bearman. He was also their neighbor, and he was also a painter, an artist also. But for saving the life of Jhansi, he sacrificed his life. Thank you. May God bless you. If newly you are watching my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon also. May God bless you.